In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access password and security. Then scroll all the way down and tap on app lock. Following that, you can click on change password type and pick one of those to apply a perfect one for your apps. Then create it. Select next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then hit OK. If you want to link your account, tap on link at the bottom. If you don't, select skip at the top right corner. Now by clicking on blue switchers next to your apps, you can disable app lock from them. And by clicking on gray ones, you can switch it on. So when I do that and try to access one of those apps, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!